Clicking random links online, that's a gamble you don't want to lose. Whether it's a sketchy email, a suspicious download, or a too good to be true offer, one wrong click can wreck your system. In this video, I will show you how to scan any link in seconds using VirusTotal. No downloads, no guesswork. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to scan any URL for malware, phishing, or hidden threats using VirusTotal. If you have ever hesitated before clicking a link, this one is for you. Let's get into it. 1. Install the VTchromizer extension. To scan any link for virus using VirusTotal, first you need to install the VTchromizer extension. Here are the steps to do so. Open Google Chrome, click on three dots menu, then select Extensions. Next, select Visit Chrome Web Store. Search for VTchromizer extension. Click Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once installed, you will see the VirusTotal icon in your Chrome toolbar. 2. Scan a link. Hover your mouse over any hyperlink, example download link, website URL. Right-click the link, select VT4 browsers from the context menu. Then select Scan Current Page and the scanning should begin with VirusTotal. A new tab will open showing the VirusTotal scan report. The link is analyzed by multiple antivirus engines. You will see a summary of detections, if any, and detailed info about potential threats. 3. Scan a URL or file hash directly. To scan a URL or file directly, you can add it to Chrome toolbar. To do that, click on Extensions icon from the Chrome toolbar. Next, find VT4 browsers from the list and click on the pin icon next to it. Now to scan a URL or file directly, click the VirusTotal icon in the Chrome toolbar. Choose to scan downloads with VirusTotal. Show Send to VirusTotal prompt when downloading files. Then save the settings. Why use VTchromizer? Why VTchromizer is a must-have for Chrome users. VTchromizers bring the power of VirusTotal directly into your browser, making it easy to scan links before you click, whether you are downloading files or browsing unfamiliar sites. This extension adds a layer of security with zero friction. Key benefits of using VTchromizer. One-click link scanning. Right-click any link to scan instantly, no copy-paste needed. Multi-engine protection. Checks URLs against dozens of antivirus tools for deeper threat detection. Safer downloads, ideal for verifying files from hosting sites or suspicious sources. Toolbar access, scan URLs or file hashes directly from the Chrome toolbar. And that's it. Now you have got a fast, reliable way to scan any link before you click. If this helped you stay safer online, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more no-nonsense tech tips. Got questions or want to share your own security habits? Drop them in the comments. Let's build a smarter, safer web together.